If a police officer has a reasonable suspicion that you have a drug in your body, the police officer may demand that you provide a sample of oral fluid, saliva. When officers are making a saliva test demand, the demand must be made immediately. This means that the officer, as soon as they come to the conclusion that they think that there's a drug in your body, has to ask you to provide a sample into the oral fluid tester to swab your mouth. The officer also, when making a saliva test demand, must perform the test immediately. And this can pose significant hurdles because of the fact that the testing can sometimes take upwards of 10 minutes and because of all of the requirements that police officers have to comply with in order to get a proper saliva sample from individuals. There are currently constitutional challenges being heard in Canada to the power that police have to demand saliva samples, to take samples from individuals, and whether those are constitutionally valid in light of the fact that people are detained at the roadside without access to counsel. However, if you refuse to comply with the demand for a sample of your saliva at the roadside, the police do have the power to arrest you and charge you with refusing to comply. The consequences of that are much worse than being convicted of being over the legal limit for drugs. And so in the circumstances, if you're asked to provide a sample of saliva, even if you feel it's invasive or the process will take very long, it's probably in your best interest to provide that sample rather than risk a refusal charge and conviction in the circumstances.